Boy, this is so fun tanning with all you guys, but you know what? My skin is going to burn like a haggis on a skillet. It's gonna be so red and burnt and itchy, but you know what? It's alright.
Oh my goodness, Spidey, your back is bright red. You better flip over. You're getting burnt.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Ugh, sand in my face. Ugh.
I am getting so gorgeously tan right now. This is the best vacation ever, guys. Well, guys, no way. Look. It's Jasmine, and she's got this super awesome Barbie Glam boat.
Aloha everyone, did you miss me? I just bought myself this awesome Glam boat, and so I figured I'd come down to Hawaii and show all of you guys my boat. Now who wants a ride?
Whoa, Jasmine, that boat was killer. I have to have a ride.
What? Guys, don't hang out with Jasmine. She's like super evil, and I paid for your trip. I'm supposed to be your bestie.
Oh, Jasmine, pick me. I want to ride on the boat.
Oh, pick me, Jasmine. I want to ride on the boat.
Me too. That boat's so glamorous. No, guys, come on. Tan with me. Come on. Don't you want to be gorgeously tan with me?
Oh,
yeah, I'm gonna ride on the boat. I'm so excited.
Well, that's it. I'm going to throw this coconut at your boat and sink it. Just gotta lift up this coconut. Why must it be so heavy? Okay, fine. I give up.
Isn't this boat so amazing, guys? Thanks for riding with me.
I'm Spidey, sailing on a boat in the ocean, yeah.
Oh, Jasmine, this is way more fun than that time I tried to catch the Loch Ness Monster on my ship. It just, yeah, I didn't find it.
This is just ridiculous. I'm leaving. Whoopsie doodle, forgot the baby. Sorry, honey. Mommy's got you. And now I'm leaving. Speaking of forgetting kids, where's Alex? Elsa only brought Felicia with her today. Oh, Alex is fishing with my daddy, Prince Felix. Oh no, Kristoff. I just realized we forgot Kristoff Jr. He's home alone.
Oh no, well I counted heads at the airport, but I must have confused Merida for Kristoff Jr.
Seriously, Kristoff? Merida and Kristoff Jr. don't even look at all alike. Oh no.
If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Also in the comments, let us know what you would have done. Would you have tanned with Barbie or go on the boat with me?
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.